How to enable auto sprint in Blood Strike. Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you are looking for a way to enable the auto sprint option in Blood Strike, then the first thing to do is to launch open the Blood Strike application on your device and make sure you are inside the main lobby page. Once you're in, go ahead and click on the gear icon at the top right corner from the home screen, and this will take you to settings. From the settings menu that appears on the screen, go ahead and look for the tab Gameplay from the left hand side menu, and under Gameplay, look for the auto sprint option and turn it on by tapping the on button. Once you have this button turned on, you can head back to the lobby screen and go ahead and join the match. Your character will automatically start sprinting whenever you move forward. No need to hold the sprint button again and again. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.